Hello students, we are going to start with chapter 2, lesson 3, problem solving, strategy, find a pattern. Our essential question is, how can equal groups help me add? Let's learn the strategy. Kelly puts 5 party favors in each bag. She has 6 bags. How many favors does she need in all? Step number 1, we need to understand. Underline what you know, circle what you need to find. What we know, that Kelly puts 5 party favors in each bag and she has 6 bags. How many favors does she need in all? This is what we need to find. Step number 2, we need to plan. How will I solve the problem? Let's do that together. She has said that she has 5 favors with 6 bags. Bag number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the pattern is we have skip count by 5. Number 3, we need to solve by finding a pattern. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So she needs 30 in all. Let's move on. Kate and Pedro count the tickets they sold to attend a museum. They sold 10 tickets each day for 5 days. How many tickets were sold? This is what we are going to find, and this is what we know, that they have sold 10 tickets each day for 5 days. Step number 2, how will I solve the problem? Let's do that together. We have 10 tickets for 5 days. Day number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Each day they have sold 10 tickets. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have skip count by 10. Step number 3, how I'm going to solve. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So by day 5, they have sold 50 tickets were sold in all. Xavier is looking at a map of the desert. He knows that each finger width is about 10 miles. How many miles will he count if he uses 7 finger widths? We are going to circle what we need to find, and we are going to underline what we know. What we know is that each finger width is about 10 miles. What we're going to find, how many miles will he count if he uses 7 finger widths? So we have finger number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's total of 7 fingers. In each finger width is about 10 miles. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So how many miles will he count if he's going to use 7 finger widths? The answer is 70 miles. Our last practice is Mary puts her toy cars into 3 groups of 5. How many cars does she have? We are going to circle what we are going to find, and we have underlined what we know. What we know is that Mary puts her toy cars into 3 groups of 5. Let's draw 3 groups. Group number 1, group number 2, group number 3. In each group, she has 5. 5, 10, 15. So we have skip count by 5. The answer is 15 cars.